So when that comes out, the vacuum thing at the bottom will still be on. Right, and then you can just take the vacuum thing off the airbox, and it means you don't need to disconnect the vacuum pipes, which probably is easier, but it just saves you getting them mixed up. So take off the air pipes here. Way. Everything out the way. Right. So the two bolts that hold it in here, setting the light on it. So that bolt, there's one there, and then that'll come out. But you need to, I need to really take this off. But that'll not fully drain it. But it doesn't really matter because I'm putting new stuff in it anyway. It wasn't long ago that I'd filled this up, but I kind of hoping I was going to get away with the radiator not leaking, but it's starting to leak. So I want to get that changed before it gets any worse, or if I get trapped in a traffic jam and then end up overheating. So I'll need to take these off as well. That'll be the air conditioning, sorry, the gearbox cooling pipes for the heat exchanger, which lives in there. Right. So you can stay there just now. Probably will just take this off and let some of the water drain out. That pipe's come out of there, doesn't need to come out, just have bumped that out. Right. Once I take this off, I can then take the pipe at the front off here, and then that'll give me this, because this won't really come out. This clip will get broke as well unless I move it a certain way and I can get it up. It's usually it'll come out kind of more this way. But I need this stuff out of the way, and I need that bracket to kind of go under and over the pipe, but I need to take the pipe kind of out of the way a bit as well. So I don't want any water getting in here, but I'll never. I can look at my drip tray, which will catch actually. It's dripping down there, but I'll probably get some of it hopefully. Not exact science. Right. So that's me taking the clip out. there, it's off onto the pipe. So I just need to let this drain a bit, and then that means that pipe's off there, and then it means I can take this one off. And there'll be so much, hopefully not be so much water inside this as well. I don't think I've caught too much water there, but it's hitting the subframe and spraying out sideways, so yeah, I've got some of it. I'll just push the pipe down a bit and try and get some more out. There's nothing really, there's only the oil pressure switch down there, but that's covered. It's fine, it's not really hitting that anyway, so just letting that drain out. Taking these off. It'll make it easy for people with big fingers to take these clips off, I'll tell you that right now. I think I broke the last one on this, the other Amiga. I think these clips are a pain in the arse. They are. Oops. And again, I broke it because it's cheap, shitty plastic, that's why. Why these are so hard to come off? It's just a push-in clip thing. I don't understand. Right. And do a wee clip thing. That's a winner bit broke off it, and it still doesn't move. Bloody hell! Right, it's probably brittle as well. Right, it's not good. There's another pair of pliers for this one. This is the next one I need to take off. Take this tie wrap off here. I just rebuilt all this about 3 months ago, never thinking that I was going to have to take it all off again. underneath there needs to come off, and then this needs to come off, which is the next bit of the... I'll try and get pliers in here, if you can see enough. And then try and move the pliers long ways, or sideways, sorry. So I use this to pull it out. You can't move it that way with your hands stuck in there. So that's out. Yeah. That gives it a bit of clearance there now for this. So I can take the rest of the pipes off. Pretty much most of the water's out it now, the top of the radiator anyway. Usually to break the pipes, if they're stuck on the collar, you don't want to pull on the pipe too much. I just use a pair of these grips, pipe grips, aptly named, and just do that.